Our hair story. She Hair Extensions is a world leader and one of the largest producers of add-on hair. With roots in Italy, She was the evolution of a family-run company more than 50 years ago. The dream of Antonio DiBiase, the youngest in a family synonymous with hair extensions. His vision was to create one of the few companies in the world that manufacture its own hair utilizing low-temperature keratin that is gentler on a client's hair and stylist's fingers. As one of the largest purchasers of hair in the world, outputting 1 million strands a week, DiBiase's commitment to ethics goes beyond ethical sourcing of hair alone. Environmental sustainability processes release cleaner water from the factory than which came in. She is a company founded on original ideas, cutting-edge technology, premium cuticle intact Remy hair, and a core of family tradition. With a guiding mission of helping stylists succeed, packaging 10 strands instead of 25 allowed him to offer you more creativity at a lower price point. She offers a complete family of solutions for any stylist, any salon, and every client. Unlimited artistry, the widest array of lengths, textures, and color effects. No one colors like she.